Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for Taurus, Earth sign, your person current feelings for the remaining month of May. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your person current feelings right now. Then later we see their intentions. So your person current feelings right now, Taurus. Okay, let's see. Knight of Cups, Knight of Wands, Strength. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Definitely, your person want to offer this cup of love to you, but it is slow. Knight of Cups is, but it is stable. Definitely there is a lot of passion between both of you. Knight of Wands, and your person also gaining strength, or you also overcome a lot of struggle in their life, strength to come towards you. Definitely, so he gaining strength to come towards you and offer this love. Right now he is thinking to come towards you. So let's see their intentions. So the Lovers, so based on intention they will take their actions towards you. They may take action towards you or may not, so purely depends upon your situation. Your person could be, or you could be, Gemini. Seven of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, 7, and the progress here 8. Definitely there is a lot of love between both of you. The Lovers card is here. One person invest on this connection more than the other, definitely, and I think it is you. Now your person also want to work on this relationship, definitely. Age of Pentacles, it is slow but stable. Definitely your person want to work on this relationship because he has a love for you, definitely. So their intentions is to work on this relationship, definitely, very seriously. So let's pull some cards from Universe, Taurus. Final message. Page of Pentacles, Lord of Earth energy, Capricorn with Taurus. Death. Ace of Cups. The final card, Hangman. Yeah, definitely, because the Death and the Hangman, right now your person is spiritually awakening, and or your person undergoes some transformation. That's why he want to work on this relationship. In past maybe he is not spiritually awakening, but right now your person is spiritually awakening. The Hangman and the Death transformation is going in your personal life. Definitely he feel love for you, Ace of Cups, and he want to offer his pentacle to you. Definitely he want to come towards you after transformation and or after spiritual awakening, because the Lovers is here. You both love each other, definitely. So definitely he will come towards you after the transformation, and your person want to work on this relationship very seriously. For some who your person right now concentrating on career, they will also come towards you after the transformation. So this is the reading for you, Taurus. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.